Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a little update video on what's going on with my life and all my builds. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing is a BMW. As some of you know, I've done plenty of things as far as increasing the horsepower, wheels, tires, etc., exhaust. But I went ahead and placed an order some coilovers that are STXA coilovers. They're a sister company of KW. Well, I found this deal for $1,400 plus free shipping and 10% discount, which comes out to about $1,200 on the one website called MB Gram or MB Benz Gram, whatever you want to call them. Well, it doesn't matter because they've scammed me. They've stolen my money. Yeah, they gave me a big runaround as to why they haven't shipped the coilovers out. They said that it's on back orders, give me an extra week, extra 2 weeks. Well, I went on their actual Instagram page with 225,000 followers, and I went on one of their comments in the post, and all their comments are deleted. And there was one person that commented on their post, and he was saying that they're scammers, etc. So I DM'd him on Instagram, and he told me that it's an actual scamming company. Then he sent me a group on Facebook that I joined, and there's hundreds of people who have been scammed by this company, which is me, myself. And there's people in there who have been scammed for like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 worth of car parts. And the annoying thing is that whenever you go online and you search any car part, let's say lowering springs, coilovers, a turbo, their company will pop up as like the top 5 on the search bar. That's the sad part. So I went ahead and contacted my credit card company, and hopefully I'll get my money back soon, who knows when. But as far as the BMW, it's pretty much staying at a stock ride height. Maybe down the line, I'll try to order them again from a different company that's actually reputable, and we'll go from there. Another exciting thing that happened is I have sold my SSR GT3P wheels that I've built, and I filmed a video of them, and I'll put the link down in the description so you guys can watch that. I'll have to rebuild wheels. Since I sold those wheels, I was going to use the money to fund the Mercedes project, which is the Panda Rocket Bunny kit that I've been putting off for like almost 2 years now, because things keep happening and I keep putting it off for longer and longer, which is kind of annoying. So the kit's just sitting up there in the rack, not doing anything. It's not on the car, not painted. So hopefully here in a couple of weeks, I will get the car up in the air, take my VSKFs off, which are for sale. And I'm gonna start cutting up the body, getting the kit mocked up, all cut up, welded, painted. And I'm currently in search for some new wheels. I think with the build, I'm kind of going to move away from the stance a little bit and move towards like DTM racing in some sort of way. So I'm going to look for some BBS wheels that will flow nicely with the white body kit, and we'll see how that goes. I might even do some sort of like racing livery on this thing. Not sure as of now, but I'm currently in search of some wheels. As soon as I sell the VSKFs, I'll buy some. And I'm sure some of you are wondering, what the fuck is this? So, long story short, the race cart that I bought initially is actually a dirt racing race cart, and it's from like 2000s. So I made a post on one of the Margay racing groups, and people have told me that that's an older chassis and there's like no point of putting money towards that chassis because I'll only be able to use it for like one type of racing, which is I believe the Sunday racing, instead of the Ignite K3 racing, which is Saturday and Sunday that I could also join. So I kind of thought about it, and instead of dumping $2,000–$3,000 into an older chassis, I decided to sell that one and purchase a whole new chassis. So this one's a 2020 K3 Ignite that I picked up for a fairly decent deal, especially for starting out. So I picked up this Briggs & Stratton LO206 engine that I'll be using with this chassis for Saturday and Sunday races. But before that, I have to go out and actually practice here in about a month, I believe, before summer races start. So I'm going to try to get in like 1 or 2 days of seat time a week, hopefully, so I can practice, get good, and I'll be comfortable enough to actually enter some of those races, and we'll see what I can do. So this is a complete learning process for me. As you know, I fucked up on buying the older chassis instead of doing my research and getting something correct the very first time. But you know, it's life, we learn, we make mistakes. What can you do? So this thing is sick as fuck. I actually test drove it around the street, and it's pretty quick. I got it up to like 20–30 miles per hour, and it's pretty sketchy, but I am pretty excited to actually take it out on a track and see what this thing can do. The very last thing I have to actually get for this is a Micron, which is a computer system which pretty much tells me how fast I'm going, my lap times and RPMs. which I do have one from the old one. I did actually fix it and get it to work, but it is a little finicky and it is a lot older, so it's a bit confusing on how to actually get it to work. So as far as actual racing equipment, I actually have everything besides the shoes. I got the rib protector for my neck, actual racing suit, I have racing gloves, so the only thing that's left is to get my Spark racing shoes from Europe, and I'll be good to go. And I have some good news. Very exciting news. I bought a new car. Well, it's not a new car, it's a used car, but it's a new car for me. And if you guys want to find out what the car is, stay tuned for the next video.